Good morning, students. How are you all? Fine? Okay, fine. Good. Yesterday we were talking about the singular and plural nouns. What we were talking about? The singular and plural nouns. In that lesson we studied some rules, correct or not? First one was what? There are some plurals formed by adding s. There are some plurals which are formed by adding es. Now which words are added es? कोणत्या शब्दांना आपण es जोडतो? जे शब्द एंडिंग, ज्या शब्दांना एंडिंगला ओ असतो, ज्या शब्दांना एंडिंगला एस एच इज देअर, सी एच इज देअर, एक्स इज देअर. आर यू अंडरस्टँडिंग? सच वर्ड्स, which words? Such words requires what to form plural? It requires es to form plural. If we want to make them plural, if we want to make them in plural form, then we have to add es to those words. Understood? That is second one. Third one rule was here told is what? If the word ends with y, correct? If the word ends with y, for example, lady, lady, baby, baby, y letter is the ending, y letter is in the ending, then what we have to do? That y we have to change. We have to remove y and we have to put I instead of y, and we have to add es to it. What we have to add? We have to add es. समझलं? That was third one. Next one, it was told that there are some words, like which words? ray, ray, boy, boy, key, key. In these words, what we have to do? The words like ray, the words like boy, the words like key, the words which ends with y, हे सगळे शब्द कशाने एंड होतात? y लेटरनी एंड होतात. कोणत्या लेटरनी एंड होतात? y लेटरनी एंड होतात. आणि त्याच्या अगोदर कोणते शब्द आहेत? कोणते लेटर आहे? ए, ओ, ई. हे सगळे लेटर्स काय असतात? हे सगळे लेटर वॉवेल्स असतात. काय असतात ते? वॉवेल्स. If the words end with y and before that letter, if the letter before y, if the letter is vowel, if the before y, if the letter is vowel, before y, if the letter is vowel, that time we have to add only normal s. Understood? This is our fourth rule. समजले सगळे 4 rules? Normal s, adding only s, then adding es to the words which are ending with o, which are ending with sh, which are ending with ch, which are ending with x, and which are ending with normal s. Third one was what? If the words are ending with y, we have to change that y and we have to write down I instead of y, and we have to add es. That is third rule. And fourth rule is which one? If the words are ending with y and before that y, whatever letter is there, त्याच्या अगोदर जो कोणता लेटर आहे तो लेटर व्हॉवेल जर असला तर नॉर्मल एस जोडायचं आहे आपल्याला. काय जोडायचं आहे? नॉर्मल एस. नाउ फिफ्थ रूल इज रिटन ऑन युअर बोर्ड. चेंज द फायनल एफ अँड एफ ई इंटू वी. फायनल एफ मीन्स वॉट? एनी वर्ड. नाउ दिस इज वर्ड which ends with f letter. This is the word which ends with fe letter. Can you see? So here it is told that change the final f and fe. We are having both examples. One example is of leaf and one example is of knife. Knife ला शेवटचे दोन लेटर कोणते? fe. and leaf ला शेवटचा लेटर कोणता आहे? f. So what we have to do? We have to remove this f and we have to add v. leav. f काढायचा आणि v जोडायचा आणि त्याला पुढे काय जोडायचं? es. what we have to add? We have to add es. Understood? Then one leaf, many leaves. One leaf, many leaves. एक पान, अनेक पानं. झाडाची पाने असतात की नाही? राईट. नेक्स्ट वन इज नाईफ. हियर ऑल्सो KNI. Now FE is there in the ending. Instead of FE, what we have to write down? V. And what we have to add? we have to add es. Then what this word will become? It will become knives. This is the fifth rule. F, the words which are ending with F letter and FE letters, we have to write down V instead of F and FE. What we have to write? We have to write down V instead of F and FE. And what we have to add further? We have to add ES after V. Understood? This is the fifth rule which we have studied. And there are some exceptional cases. Look here now. There are some exceptional cases here. Some exceptions are gulf, gulfs, cliff, cliffs, safe, safes, handkerchief, handkerchiefs. Now these all words are ending with what? F. इथे पण F नी एंड होतो, इथे पण F नी एंड होतो, इथे F E नी होतो आणि इथे F नी एंड होतो. पण ह्या शब्दांना आपण चेंज केलं आहे का? नो, वी हॅव नॉट चेंज्ड F and FE. We have not changed these last letters. Now these words are going to be very exceptional. हे एवढे 4-5 शब्द थोडेसे वेगळे आहेत, त्यांना आपण चेंज करत नाही. काय चेंज करत नाही? वी आर नॉट चेंजिंग लास्ट लेटर ऑफ दिस वर्ड्स. What we are not changing? We are not changing last letter of these words. Now further it is told, now I am reading something further. Plurals are also formed in uncommon way. Now these all which we studied first five ways are very common, खूप simple common है. But there are 3 rules which are uncommon. There are 3 rules which are uncommon. Now which are those? That I will read for you. Okay, I will show you book and I will read. Now see. First, change the inside vowels of the singular noun. Inside vowel, आता A काय आहे? Vowel, right? Here also A is vowel. Here O is vowel. Here O is vowel. Here also O is vowel, and here O is vowel, but now this word is changing. Okay, man, 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 मधला vowel चेंज केला आहे आपण. मग तो manचा काय झाला? main, MEN, main. woman, WOMAN. when we are changing one woman, many women. Okay, WOMEN. One mouse, 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 and many MICE, mice. One foot, 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 and many feet, FEET, feet. One tooth, 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 and many teeth, TEETH, teeth. One ox, 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 and many oxen, OXEN, oxen. Have you understood? Have you understood what we have to do? We have to change middle vowel. MAN, man. WOMAN, women, woman. MOUSE, mouse. Correct. FOOT, foot. TOOTH, tooth. Here middle vowel we are going to change. Here also middle vowel we are going to change. Here middle, now 2 are there here. O and U is there. This we are going to change. We are going to change middle vowel. We are going to change middle vowel. Can you see? Man will become man. Woman will become woman. Mouse will become mice. Foot will become feet, and tooth will become teeth. Understood? In this way we have studied one uncommon way, first one. Now second uncommon way is what? Here, collective nouns take an S in the plural form. Team, teams, herd, herds, bouquet, bouquets. Collective nouns. Now what is collective nouns? We have studied, I think so. I don't know whether we have studied or not. Yes, in second lesson we have studied. Collective nouns means what? The nouns which we can The nouns which we, here it is given, a noun that stands for collection of people, collection of places, collection of animals. Correct or not? We are collecting, what we are saying, 4-5 people are standing, then what we are saying, there is a group of people. Understood? कलेक्टिव्ह नाउन्सचे जे शब्द असतील त्याला फक्त आपण एस जोडायचं आहे. काय जोडायचं आहे? फक्त एस. तो झाला सेकंड रूल. आणि थर्ड रूल we will study in tomorrow's period, and we are going to study first question. We are going to solve what? We are going to solve first question of our English grammar lesson. What is the name of our lesson? The singular and plural. Okay, thank you for today. We will meet on Thursday. Okay, now our timetable is changed, so we are going to meet when? Now we are going to meet on Thursday. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.